Today we are drawing a sheep. We're gonna keep it pretty basic. It's real quick. It'll be fun to do, so let's go over and get started. All right, like I said before, somebody requested the sheep in the comments, so let's go ahead and do that. Sheep's gonna be a lot like our alpaca we made not too long ago. Start off with kind of a fluffy head. Face. We're gonna put two little ears out to the side. And we're gonna draw the little fluffy body. Again, kind of like you're making a cloud. Now we gotta put some feet on this sheep. Come down, round it off, go down again. Go down, round it off, go down again. Down, round it, down again. Down, round it, down again. Then we're gonna put just a little line here, kind of for the little sheep. All right, now we need some eyes. The sheep's got to go nowhere to go. And we're gonna make kind of a little heart nose for it. And then draw it with a little smile. And again, what I typically forget are the tails here. We need sheep tail. All right. So there's your sheep again. You can color sheep whatever color you want to. You know, maybe you want to go with a black sheep. Maybe you want to leave it white. It's up to you. We're going to leave this sheep white. So we'll go ahead and actually, I'll tell you what. We'll make this part black right here. I'll color in that part right there. Now we'll call it a day. All right, quick and easy sheep. Tell your mom or dad, put this up on your refrigerator after you draw it, or back next to your bed and you count sheep to go to sleep. That's your choice. Hope you enjoyed that.